Alright, we in the beast, y'all, man. No tune. She feels slow. On the way to get our downpipe installed, y'all boys. Little POV, man. It's raining in Florida today, man. Feel me? Y'all see what's going on. Big body 5 series. Let me put the windshield wiper on fast. But yeah, it's a little POV in the beast right now. Fully quiet, fully stocked. She's pretty fun, pretty fast. She feels fast in the passenger seat. Hopefully I don't fuck my car up because I got the 2021 and I'm trying to install the downpipe. So hopefully I can make it back home, get that ECU out, get it shipped out. We get boot mode, get a tune. It will be stock, downpipe tune. And then I get the flex fuel shit. And yeah, we can throw some E in this bitch. Feel me? Yeah, we going to the road. We're 1 mile away from getting our downpipe installed, y'all. Let's get it, man. Y'all don't sound happy, man. It's a little bit rainy outside, so we all-wheel drive, so I ain't really worried about nothing, but we ain't doing no pulls on the way back because we don't want to die. Because I think when you take off the stock downpipe and add the downpipe, you're pushing like 480. And then when you add the tune, you get it up to 500. So yeah. See what this 480 hitting for. Outside, man, glow. We outside in the rain. About to get the 540 right, you know what I mean? 40s are outside. Hey bro, I'm gonna need a sticker too. You ain't got a sticker?
Alright, actually sold out of them crap.
Damn.
I'm still waiting on people to come pick theirs up. They ain't come yet.
I need
they couldn't get it.
I want a sticker in the same spot. That bitch tough.
Right down the middle, bro.
Hell yeah, that shit tough. Sir, you see that sticker? I'm gonna peel that sticker off and put it on my shit. Alright bro, let me get the VSF downpipe. Let me get that. I'm gonna need to scoop that too. You know, I think it could fit. That'll fit. What's that shit up there, bro? Come on, tell me on this shit. Yeah.
Alright, so this is a Ross Racing oil catch can PCV delete kit. So we got like common problems on the Gen 2s and Gen 1s is the PCV.
Yeah.
So they tend to, like, if you leave the car idling, it tend to smoke out the car, out the exhaust and stuff like that. So that's a delete. So like I could let my car idle for an hour and have no problem.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, so I gotta get that too then.
For y'all don't. All right, so y'all valve covers are different from ours.
Yeah.
So you got oil, right?
Yeah.
But the PCV, this is a cap. I don't have a cap. It's like built into the valve cover.
Okay.
So in order for you to change that, you can get that, but in order for you to change it, you would have to change the valve cover.
Okay.
Shit waxed. Nah, not really.
Well, you just said my shit better. Yeah, you know.
Hey, simple.
That keyless entry?
Yeah. My shit fully. Huh? Hell yeah, let's get a cold start.
You opened up right now?
Nah.
You got the straight cut? Oh, this nigga shit.
You got factory exhaust and then you cut it.
I got yeah. So. much miles the car got on there?
38.
What's that for? 30 is pretty fresh.
32. Yeah, I've been looking for 340.
Nigga, they got so much of.
You got shit from what, Texas or something?
Got glow built on his top mount turbo, 800 horsepower, but he went back stock right now. Got my Gen 2, got a modified 340 right here. Ross Racing catch can, stock turbo, charge pipe. Shit, splice. Got my shit fully stock, Gen 2. You know what I mean? TU pump, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. 540, about to put in that work. Got another 440 right here, having problems. Yeah, we outside. .540 in the lab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. About to get that downpipe installed. Yeah. Got that Beamer speed downpipe going on that bitch. Nah, I mean, look through that bitch. You don't see shit.
Catless, nigga. Ain't no cats around the block.
Nah. How much you think I'll be pushing with just the downpipe on that? Man, we got that Beamer speed downpipe getting put on, boy.
Alright, so then down. And
I know y'all see it. Comes stock with a board warner, boy. Big beast. We out with the old stock charge pipe.
cooking these, this shit still hot as fuck.
Yes, sir. That boy is certified. That boy did it one jack.
One jack, no jack stand.
Clean. Oh, you gotta keep the gasket.
Yeah, I need something smaller though.
Get a pick.
Yeah, I got one.
Yes, sir. Downpipe gone, boy. I'll leave it right now. Flowing just like that. Another B58 pulled up. Everybody stock turbo gang. Gen 1 guys at the slaves. Got them boys running outside, man. Always fast cars around here.
You're good.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we in the beast, y'all, man. No tune. She feels slow. X3M up there. I ain't gonna fuck with him because I'm about to get smoked. But we gonna cruise with him though, you know what I mean? We gonna cruise with him. X3M on the cut. It's a female driving that shit. That shit clean. You feel me? Good to go. You know, about to go get the ECU unlocked. I got the downpipe on. The downpipe with stock, everything. Stock muffler, stock resonator. Feel me? About to get that. Basically, only did small things like code this out, but I couldn't code out anymore, so. You know? I just love listening to that turbo whistle, boy. Should've went BMW. Yeah. Bro, you hear? I don't think you guys can hear that shit. That shit whistles crazy. You know, I love it. Yes, sir. We outside, man. Turbo just whistling, boy. That shit sounds beautiful. Yeah, but yeah, we just got that done. We about to send her out to get the fucking ECU shipped out from Beamer Speed. The shit costs $2,500. So if you guys want to get a new car, don't do it. $2,500, not even in nothing to make the car go fast, just to make the car understand what we want to do. And then after we do that, now we're gonna fucking. After that, I'm gonna get a transmission tune as soon as I unlock the ECU, because I don't want to buy a transmission tune then it doesn't save it, because you turn the car off and the ECU resets everything. So I want to unlock that, and then after I do that, bro, I think the car should be golden, bro. You know what I mean? We pushing about 500 horsepower, max out that stock turbo, throw a Vargas on it, and then yeah, we go from there. You feel me? But yeah, love the interior, love the car. You know what I mean? It's just a beast, bro. I'm in love. What you honking at, bro? But yeah, guys, we got that. You know, we got the 540. You know, you got the levels brick by brick to get this bitch where you want it to be, you know? We got check engine light right now because of the downpipe, but shouldn't be any big deal, you know what I mean? But after she gets back from the shop, I'm gonna get her detailed, and then, you know, after I get it detailed, probably put the M5 front bumper on it, because I did get the base model because same motor, same engine, same everything for a cheaper price, so why not? You know what I mean? So why fucking not? So I got all that, but yeah, she's running nice, bro. I love her. Turbo whistles like crazy. Beautiful car, beautiful scene, everything about her is beautiful. I love Digi Dash, and I'm probably riding with the windows down all the time because I just love listening to what she sounds like, you know what I mean? Got my Glow Built sticker back there, so you already know we mean business, you know what I mean? One of my valves, I coded it out to open. That shit don't stay open, bro. And I'm only pushing one valve right now. Probably because I don't got a tune, but whenever I code shit in, I'm about to just keep everything open, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna go let my boy follow me so we could, I'm gonna have him follow me so I have a ride back. You know? Hell yeah. Sir, we're at Beamer Speed right now, delivering the beast to get her ECU shipped out, you know. A lot of cool beast in here. 2JZ M3. Shit is crazy. Yes, sir. Just got the car back from getting the ECU unlocked. I drove to my boy's shop. I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like with a downpipe and a tune. Oh, that's some... Yo, stop. Only one valve is open. Huh? Only one valve is open. Yeah. May I already have one. That's why it's so and so. Yeah. Getting her detailed by the best. Wicked intentions. You already know what the hell going on YouTube. Guys, Beast right here on NOS, boy. You feel me? But yeah, she getting detailed right now. Probably go get the welds mounted on.